This video will show my 5th axis integration that I've written. So here's your standard 4th axis. Here's a proof of concept stepper motor, which will act as a 5th axis on a trunnion or whatever you want to do. There's a little flag here that'll show you how it works here in a minute. I've just booted up PathPilot, and part of the script is a plugin, like all these other plugins that I've written, and you can see that it says 5th axis is connected to an Arduino on dev/terminal ACM0. Okay, let me home the machine. And actually, let me open a test program. Now what we have here, the 5th axis is controlled by an M code. In this case, it's M134. The P number is the degrees that you turn, and Q is the speed. And 999 here for both arguments is a pre-check. It just ensures that there's a connection to the Arduino. So we start some rotation, move the spindle or the tool down to the 5th axis, do some rotations on A, and then we'll rotate the 5th axis one turn, do some other stuff, and that'll be it. So here we go. And let's see what I've got logged here. This says the pre-flight check was passed. That was when it called the P999 Q999 999. I have some checks built in. For instance, if we unplug it, if we pretend that connection was lost, we'll just unplug the Arduino, right? And it says up here that 5th axis disconnected. And I've got polling set up, so if you plug it back in, it'll say connected here in a second. And then we can continue on like nothing happened. You can command it from the MDI line. So that's M134 P360 for a complete turn, Q200. Do it again. We can slow her down. It's responsive to the stop button, or escape, cycle stop. So that was me pressing the escape key a couple times. And it catches it, stop pressed. You can command a longer turn. Here I'm typing P3600 for 10 full turns. Oops, that's slow, hold on. And this will just turn 10 times.